Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a detailed review of the Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split System. If you're considering this unit for your home, you've come to the right place. We'll cover everything from installation to performance, energy efficiency, and user experience. Let's get started. The Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split is designed to provide an efficient and cost-effective solution for heating and cooling your home. This system stands out for its DIY installation capabilities, high energy efficiency, and advanced features. But how does it perform in real-world conditions? Let's find out. 1. Ease of installation. One of the biggest selling points of the Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split is its DIY installation. The system comes with pre-charged quick connect lines, which means you don't have to handle refrigerants. The components fit together easily, and the detailed installation guide makes the process straightforward, even for those with minimal DIY experience. The all-in-one package includes everything you need for installation, from the indoor air handler and outdoor condenser to the necessary mounting hardware and electrical wiring. 2. Energy efficiency. The Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split boasts a high SEER, seasonal energy efficiency ratio, rating, ensuring that it operates efficiently and can help lower your energy bills. This makes it a smart choice for homeowners looking to reduce their environmental footprint and save on utility costs. The system uses environmentally friendly refrigerants, which have a lower impact on the ozone layer compared to older systems. 3. Advanced features. This unit is packed with advanced features that enhance convenience and comfort. Remote control access allows for easy temperature adjustments from anywhere in the room. Many models are compatible with smart home systems, enabling you to control the unit via smartphone apps or voice commands through devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The system operates quietly, making it suitable for noise-sensitive environments such as bedrooms or home offices. 4. Versatility and design. The Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split is versatile and can be installed in various settings, from single rooms to whole house applications. Whether you need to cool a small bedroom or a larger living area, there are different capacity models to suit your needs. The sleek and modern design of the indoor unit blends well with most interior decors, offering a visually appealing solution that doesn't compromise on performance. 5. Cost-effective solution. While the initial cost of the Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split may be higher than some other HVAC options, the long-term savings on energy bills and installation costs can make it a more economical choice in the long run. The ease of maintenance and the potential for fewer repair costs further contribute to its cost-effectiveness. 1. Initial cost. The upfront cost of the Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split can be higher than other mini split systems or traditional air conditioning units. While it offers long-term savings through energy efficiency, the initial investment might be a barrier for some homeowners. If you need multiple units to cover a larger home, the cost can add up quickly. 2. Installation complexity for some. Despite being marketed as a DIY-friendly unit, the installation process can still be challenging for some homeowners, particularly those who are not handy or lack basic home improvement skills. Issues such as drilling through walls for refrigerant lines and ensuring proper electrical connections might require professional help, adding to the overall cost. 3. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is required to keep the system running efficiently. This includes cleaning the filters, checking the refrigerant levels, and ensuring the outdoor unit is free from debris. Homeowners who are not diligent with maintenance might find the performance of the unit declining over time, potentially leading to costly repairs. 4. Cooling heating limitations. The cooling and heating capacity of a single Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split unit might not be sufficient for larger homes or multiple rooms. For effective temperature control throughout the house, additional units might be necessary, which can be costly. This can limit its effectiveness in homes with large open floor plans or multiple levels unless you are willing to invest in multiple units. The Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split performs exceptionally well in both cooling and heating modes. Users report consistent temperature control, quiet operation, and significant energy savings. The convenience of remote control and smart home compatibility adds to the positive user experience. Installation feedback. Many users appreciate the clear and detailed installation guide, but some have noted that certain steps, like drilling through walls and managing electrical connections, can be challenging without prior experience. However, the overall feedback on installation is positive, especially for those with some DIY skills. Energy savings. Homeowners have observed noticeable reductions in their energy bills, thanks to the unit's high efficiency. The system's ability to maintain a consistent temperature without frequent cycling contributes to these savings. Comfort and convenience. The Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split's quiet operation and advanced features, such as remote control and smart home integration, make it a convenient choice for modern homes. Users enjoy the ease of adjusting settings and temperatures from anywhere in their homes. The Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split is a robust and efficient HVAC solution that offers a blend of modern features, energy efficiency, and user convenience. While it has a higher initial cost and may present some installation challenges, the long-term benefits make it a worthwhile investment for many homeowners. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more HVAC tips and reviews. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with the Mr. Cool Cassette Mini Split, feel free to leave a comment down below. Stay cool and comfortable.